35 seeds are equally distributed in 7 pots. Which statement correctly represents the number of seeds in each pot? The information given in the question is that 35 seeds are equally distributed in 7 pots. It is asked which statement correctly represents the number of seeds in each pot. Choice A is 7 times 5. 7 times 5 is equal to 35. 35 is the total number of seeds. So this does not represent the number of seeds in each pot. Choice B is 35 minus 7. 35 minus 7 represents taking away 7 from 35 and does not represent dividing 35 into 7 groups. Choice C is 35 divided by 7. 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5 and represents dividing 35 into 7 groups. The number of seeds in each pot is equal to 35 divided by 7. Choice C represents the number of seeds in each pot. Choice D is 35 times 7. This does not represent distributing 35 into 7 groups. Choice C is the correct answer. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel if you would like to get updates about new videos.